Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KDA. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that KDA was about to break another down channel on a smaller time frame, on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that finally we have broken out the resistance of this channel. But here we have found a short-term resistance at 60 cents, and you can see that for the past several hours or days, it is getting rejected by this resistance again and again. And now it is moving to the downside to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this breakdown from this descending triangle. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big falling wedge pattern. You can see that after the breakout, we had a very nice rally. By the way, from this low to here, it was almost 388% rally, and for a while we broke out this long-term resistance of $1.40. That was previously working as a support here and resistance here. And while retesting the previous resistance as support, the price could not save this level and dropped down, and now recently, after breaking down this triangle, it formed this down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for CKB, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 23rd of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of KDA. And recently, you can see that KDA formed this down channel on the 4-hour time frame chart. And here we had a fake out to the downside, but the price then recovered back. And after getting bounced from this support of 53.27 cents, and you can see that after entering the channel, the price and once again rejected, and finally we have broken out the resistance. But here we have found a short-term resistance at 60 cents that had been previously breaking as a resistance here, and now again it is breaking as a resistance here as well. Therefore, now to continue this move to the upside, we will still need to break out this resistance of 60 cents. And now there is a probability that the price may retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support as well. And now if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this channel, that technical target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 86 cents. And if the price reaches there, then it can also try to break out this another resistance, a downtrend line resistance that was the resistance of the previous triangle. And if the price breaks it out, then it can also hit the target of 86 cents, and it can also break out this long-term resistance of 85 cents as well. You can see that we have so many resistance levels to break out. First, we will need to break out this 60 cents resistance, and then another significant resistance will be this downtrend line that was previously breaking at the resistance of this triangle. And then we will also have this resistance of 85 cents as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 85 cents has been previously working as a very strong support here for several weeks. And now, again, it can work as a strong resistance. In fact, it has been working as a resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakdown, the price has been trying to break it out again, but could not break it out. And after the rejection by this resistance of 85 cents and by this resistance of the triangle, the price dropped down and formed this channel. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern. And despite a rally that was more than 300%, still a very huge move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And that long-term technical target can be here at the top of the wedge. that can be somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.